Hey everybody, Adam Savage here in my cave with a show and tell that is a recent gift from a fan. Maker Jennifer Mann came by my cave at this point a few months ago. It actually, I believe it's pre-COVID. Time has compressed, but Jennifer Mann is a maker and she makes some beautiful objects, and she wanted to give one to me, and so she brought it to the cave in this magnificent package. And when I turn it around and you see the label here, it might make it clear what this is. She even 3D printed a label like a spacesuit name tag. Yeah, that should give you a hint about what's in here, but let's just start by going, holy hell, what a presentation for this gift, right? Like, this is awesome fabric. This is somebody who clearly thought through this whole thing and wanted to design an experience instead of just a gift. And what a gift it is! It is one of Jennifer's handmade, beautiful space helmets. Look at this thing. Look at this beauty. She makes these using light globes and 3D printed parts. It was a process to put this together. There are actually two different instructables. Jennifer is she has given back to the community. She has written two extensive tutorials, and we'll include links to those instructables in the comments below, about how to make one of her gorgeous helmets. And I'm so happy that, first of all, it's also super lightweight. Like, 10-year-old me would have killed for something like this. This is fabulous. It's lightweight, it's bulletproof, and, well, it's got some lighting in it. Inside the package, once I opened it, there was the secondary bag. And again, I just want to show you, like, the attention to detail here is, she chose this fabric, hold on, with a pattern in it, and then centered the pattern at the bottom of the, right? Like, wow. Attention to detail. And in the base was a bag like this, which included a battery and a charger and such for powering this up. But it's not as simple as just a set of lights. Oh no, there are colors. On. There we go. There are colors. Oh yeah, we gotta do this. Yep. There we go. Ooh. Yes. See, there are colors, and I can change the colors in here. Oh. Wait, how do I change the colors? There we go. The remote. It's line of sight to the remote control, so I can make it green. Ooh, you're looking a little green these days. I can make it blue. Oh, purple. Purple is my life. There we go. Yep. Ooh. This is like, Jennifer makes a lot of costumes that she wears out to parties and to gatherings, and she has constructed this helmet to be able to be worn for a long time. Its lightness, I swear, it weighs ounces. Means that you could wear this to a fancy costume party and you'd be fine all night long, which is no small thing when you're designing. Well, that looks really great. When you're designing something to be worn. Yeah. This is a quickie, but I just wanted to highlight the wonderful skill and generosity of a fellow maker. Jennifer Mann, I thank you so much for this beautiful addition to my collection. I am delighted to be its steward for a period of time, and thanks for sharing your inspiration. Onward and upward. Please stay safe, and I will see you next time. Cheers. A couple more things regarding this helmet. This right here, this relationship of being able to have this visor come all the way down here and not get scratched by this and be so close in orientation, non-trivial. That's not easy to get right. These 3D printed parts are super solid and yet super lightweight. This is ideal fancy dress party kind of cosplay. And I'm digging it. Ooh.
yeah, you hear your own voice when you go inside. I don't know what that effect was.
I was like making a Sputnik sound. Just something off the top of my head.